All right, so yesterday we talked a little bit more about that soft C sound. Do you remember what soft C sounds like? S, like an S. If a word has a C that's followed by an E, an I, or a Y, that C usually says S, soft C. And then yesterday we talked specifically about this ending CE, and I told you about how usually when we have a magic E at the end of a word, it changes the sound of the vowel, like cut turns to cute and tap turns to tape. But this CE ending doesn't affect the vowel. So it's still dance and peace and sense and chance. And today I wanted us to read a few more words that have that CE. And whenever we see the CE, we're going to remember that says S. Okay, so these are all two-syllable words or words with suffixes. The first word is first syllable, k, on, con, and the second syllable, v, I, n's, vince, convince, convince. How about this one? T, a, n, s, dancer, dancer. Okay, so dance is the base word. And dance is D-A-N-C-E. And then when we add the doer suffix, someone who dances is called a dancer. We drop the E on dance and add ER. How about this one? It's actually a base word with a suffix again. The suffix is ED, but they dropped the E on the base word. So if we cover this D up, we should see the base word. And it is glance, glance, glanced. I glanced over. How about this word? Base word, peace, peace, suffix full, peaceful. How about this one? Mince, mince, and it's past tense, minced. How about this one? It has the same base word as this word up here, but it has no E because they dropped the E to add the doing suffix. So the base word is dance, dance, ing, dancing. Force, force plus full, forceful. And this word, again, this base word ends with an E, but they dropped the E to add this vowel suffix, the doing suffix. So this word is practice. And then with ing, that's 3 syllables, practicing. Good job practicing. Now today I want us to look at a new red word. The red word is O-N-C-E. Does anybody know what that word is? Have you seen it before? I bet you've seen it once or twice. Once. This is the word once. Okay, let's skywrite it a few times. Once. O-N-C-E. Once. Let's try skywriting it again. O-N-C-E. Once. Does anybody know what this word means? What does once mean? When have you used the word or read the word or heard the word? Once. I just said it before I said, I bet you've seen it once or twice. That definition of once is one time. If you say like, oh, I've done that once, that means you've done it one time. Okay, so that's one definition, once. Any other definitions that you can think of once? It can mean like at some point in history, like if I said, there once was a girl named Mary. That means not right now, but at some point in history. Okay, so once. Why do you think this word is a red word? We know that red words are words you can't tap out, you can't sound them out. They don't follow the rules of phonics. This one is a red word because this O, it doesn't say ah. Like if we were going to tap this out, we should go ah-ns, aunts. This word, if we were tapping it out, it should, if it wasn't a red word, it should say aunts. But it's not aunts because that's not a word. It's once. Okay, so it's a red word because of this O. That O does not say ah or o. It says w, kind of like almost like a W O. Okay? Like the word one, the number one, O-N-E. It's kind of like that red word. Right, we're going to move on to our dictation and we'll practice this word once. Actually, we'll practice the word once more than once.